Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So glad you're here. We do unboxings, reviews, and try-ons. And today I have a Bad Habit Boutique unboxing for you. And this is the first time I've done a video for Bad Habit Boutique because this is the first time I've ever got a box from them. I did their Addicted box. So I am really excited to dig in and see what's in there. So this is not an automatic thing that you get every month. You get to preview what the concept for the box is every month, and then you can agree to get it or not. So you can sign up for it. The sooner you get in on it, the cheaper the box is. Xena is here, and she is super, super excited because she thinks it's treat time now. Wyatt's here too. Want to say hi, buddy? Say hi, everybody. But the sooner you get in, the cheaper the box is. So if you sign up right away, I think it's $99, and then as the days go by, it gets more and more expensive. So this box was more expensive for me. I did already sign up for the January box too, and I think I got in at $109, so I didn't get the 99 because I wasn't fast enough. So we'll check out the Bad Habit Boutique Addicted box for a couple months, and we'll see how it goes. So before I dig into that box, I did have a gift idea for you guys. I've been doing the Rachel Zoe Box of Style for a couple years now. I love it. It's a seasonal box, comes out every quarter, and she does, I haven't done an unboxing for you guys because you can just Google it and go out to her website, which I think is just rachelzoeboxofstyle.com. It's something like that. And she does her own unboxings, which are quite phenomenal. There's always some sort of a wearable, and it's a one-size-fits-all kind of wearable. There's always some sort of a bag, or based on the season, it could be a beach bag and a hat or jewelry, and beauty products are all full size, and she always does a fantastic job showing ways of how to wear them and how to use them. But in case you hadn't heard of it, I thought I would do a quick show you guys, because I just got my winter box of style, and it looks like a really good one, so I was going to show it to you. It is $100 a quarter. And there is a special going on right now. I can't remember how much it is. If you sign up now, I believe there is a bit of a discount. So if I can find it, I will put it down below for you. I'll also put my link, my referral link down below for Rachel Zoe's Box of Style in case anyone would like to check it out. It is a fun subscription. But it came like this inside the box. All of her stuff is quality. So it's $100, but the value of what you get is always around $400, and it really is. It's always fantastic stuff. So it looks like there is a leather bag in here. I love this. I love this leather handle here with all of the interwoven stitching here. So it does have a long handle as well as the short handle, and it is by Jules K. And inside is my little box. And sometimes, this is the second time or third time actually, she's put the box inside the bag. I got a cute little bag for the summer, for a beach bag that had a hat and a beach cover up that could also be worn as a kimono. Very cute. She shows you how to style them. You always get a little booklet that tells you about everything that's in it and what you can do with it. And usually, yeah, so usually it tells you the value of each item. So right here, it tells you about the leather bag, and it tells you the value of that bag is $150. So here's the inside of this box. Isn't that pretty? I like the rose gold. And, oh, the doggy's here. It's getting loud in here. So inside, you guys can hear Wyatt getting rowdy because you never get to hear that. You get Luna Sleeping Night Oil, and it's a full-size product there. Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm, again, full size. You always get beauty products. You always get a jewelry item. You almost always get a wearable. I don't see that. There's jewelry in this one. Looks like a ring. Oh, look at that. You get a ring. This one's mine, so I'll take that off. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. So you get a ring. And it is adjustable there. So it's open in the back. That's very pretty. I like that. And there's one more item here. What is this? Oh. There's something else here, guys. Sorry. I didn't want to spend too much time on this. I just wanted to share it with you all just in case you guys didn't know about. Oh, check this out. It's a watch. And this is by Eddie Borgo, New York. Very pretty. Yes, oops. Very pretty. You guys can see that. Prettier, do it this way. That'd be much easier. I always wear my watch on my left hand for some reason, so. Very pretty. Okay, and I'll just tell you guys really quick here. So the smoothing balm was a value of $25. The ring, $85. It's the Love AJ Marquee Diamond Disc Statement Ring. Yeah, retail value is $85. The Soho watch, $115. And the last item would be the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil, $105. So, yeah, and Rachel Zoe, you guys, I think you guys know who she is. Pretty popular stylist, has her own clothing lines, jewelry line. I think she has all kinds of stuff. So I just wanted to share. All right, Bad Habit Boutique. Let's get right into that now. Wyatt's going to knock the camera over. So I like that you can actually tell them. So I did go in when I ordered my box, and there is a note section. So I don't know, I wasn't sure how much they paid attention to that note section because they do a concept box, you pick a size, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing that you fill out that tells them your preferences. So in the notes section, I said I normally wear an extra small 2 in tops and an extra small 26 in pants. I said, but for leggings, because leggings was in the concept for this box, I said I usually do size up because I don't like them to be too tight. And then I just said, like, I like pinks and purples because they're my favorite colors, because red was in the concept box, and you guys know that red is not normally my favorite color to wear unless it's in shoes, right? So let's see how that transferred over. I'm excited. All right, so first of all, they gave me a coupon to get $10 off, and here is the inside of the box. So that looks cute and cozy and red. So the baby pinks and purples were not available. All right, let's dig in. First up is a hat. I like the little poof. Check out Wyatt here. Wyatt, you want to wear the hat? Do you want to wear the hat? No, I think he thinks this is a toy. So he's gonna want to play with that. Okay, here are the leggings. These are New Mix Premium Leggings, the softest leggings ever. High waist, ultimate support for outstanding results. All day, all night comfort, one size fits all. Look at this dog. He's really into this box. Okay, so here are the leggings. And again, I think I tell you guys this a lot, but I wish you could feel these because they actually feel very thick and cozy. They're a little bit fleecy on the inside, and they feel really nice, really nice. Not like the thin nylon-y type. They feel really good. And let's see what size she sent me. Oh, look at that. One size fits all. That's fascinating. One size fits all. And Wyatt is after my hat. Seriously, the dog is chewing on my hat. Wyatt, no. He's chewing on my hat. He thinks it's a toy. That's great. No. My God, these dogs are a problem today. They are not so sleepy today, are they? Okay, next up is a t-shirt. It says, get your jingle on. So while T-shirts with sayings are not my very favorite things to wear. Look how long this one is. So that is cute. I think that's really cute for Christmas, and I love how long it is. So if they're going to send me leggings, I like that this is a really long tee to go with it. So I think that's very cute. I like it. I would actually probably even sleep in that. Next up is a Zanana Premium Small, and this looks like a tunic tee. So just in a plain black, but it is a short sleeve, but look how long it is. So that's interesting. It looks a little wide on the bottom, so we'll have to see how that translates on. Cute. And look at this little cozy pullover. And this is by what? Love Tree. This is also small. So it looks like everything is in smalls. And maybe that everything, I think your choices were small mediums, which is why I told them, like small, medium, large, I think those were your choices. I told them what sizes I normally wear. Stuff everywhere. Check out this little cozy pullover. Very soft. Very cute, nice and long. I like it. And last up is this little black and white vest. And the buffalo plaid was one of the concepts. Red was the one that showed in the concept design for this box. So this one's black and white. So that's cute. I don't own anything like that. So let's go see how this all looks on. I'll be right back. Okay, so my first outfit, I put on the long tunic t-shirt and the leggings, which are very, very soft. They have a little bit of a shine to them. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on the video, but they're very thick. They're very warm. They feel really nice. The fact that they're one size fits all is very surprising to me because they seem to fit me very well. They're not too tight. They're not loose. They don't have very many seams in them at all, just this inside seam on the leg. They feel very comfortable. I really like them. And I put them on with these Ugg boots that I have. Thinking for outside wear, they would be really cute and hopefully nice and warm. So we have to test that out. The t-shirt is super cute. It is nice and long. I actually have a tunic length tank on underneath this, and the t-shirt is as long as the tank is. So let's try it with this very cozy pullover in this very pretty oatmeal color. So this is very, very soft. I like this. It feels wonderful. It does have pockets. It is a little oversized, so it does cover my whole butt here. Yeah, this is cute. I like it. And I have the hat, which I don't know. I don't always wear hats because my hair is not, I never look good with hats on, but we'll try it here. How's that? Have my hat on. What else we got? We have a vest. We can try the vest on next, but this is a cute little hat. What do you guys think? I can tell you the hat's very warm, so covering my ears, it is a cute warm hat. All right, so all I have left is the vest and the tunic tee. I'll be right back. All right, so here is this tunic tee, and check out how long it is. It's long. It's like a dress. I feel like I could wear this in the summer almost as a dress. It's long. It's very soft. It's very cute, but it's super long. So I'm not sure I like it just for how long it is. Maybe if I put on some colored leggings and a cardigan that was even longer than this, maybe I would like it better. So I maybe have to try that because I own these items now. So either I gift them or give them away, before I wear them, right? So it's not bad. It's a basic tee. It feels comfy. It's nice and flowy at the bottom. So I'll have to do something with it here. And then here is the vest, which is cute. Make sure I can. I don't like it with this top at all, but it fits. I've got some extra room, so maybe I'll try it on over top of the pullover just to see if how that looks out of curiosity. Because it's a cute little vest. All right, let me try it with the pullover real quick. I'll be right back and that'll be the final outfit. Okay, last outfit. I did put the little vest on over top of the pullover, which I should have done when I had it on the first time. And this doesn't look too bad. It is like a little bit of a soft, little bit of an off-white here, so it doesn't look bad with the oatmeal colored cozy pullover, which I'm loving this pullover. It is so flippin' soft. I love it. I think it is very cute, and this vest is roomy enough that I can even zip this up if I wanted to. So if I was outside and I didn't get it caught in this, okay, I thought I got it caught in the, so I could zip this up if I wanted to. There's enough room. And I actually still have a little bit of room, so that's nice. I think it's cute. All right, be right back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so that was my first ever Bad Habit Boutique Addicted box. What'd you guys think? So I'll tell you what I thought. I thought the leggings were fantastic, super warm. I felt like if I was going outside for a while, I would wear these leggings. So comfy, perfect for travel. They have like a nice, they have like a shine to them. I don't know if you guys can even pick up on that, but cozy, warm, love them. The hat, if I can keep it away from Wyatt, super cute, nice and warm. So again, if you want to be outside, I love it. The t-shirt, I love that it's long. I'm not really big into t-shirts with sayings in them, but I would probably wear this to sleep in. Or if we had like a Christmas event and you need to wear something with a Christmas saying on it, I would wear this underneath one of my cardigans. Like I would do that. It does have a little bit of fuzzies on it from the cozy, the next item I'm going to talk about here, the pullover. But I think it's cute. I would wear this for a Christmas party or something where you needed to have like an ugly Christmas sweater, which I don't own. I would wear that instead under a cardigan, like something like that, right? If you had to get into the Christmas spirit. So, because I don't own an ugly Christmas sweater. I don't own one, Zena. I think I bought one for you, but I don't think I have one now that I think about it. So next up is this cozy pullover, probably my favorite item in the whole box. I love this. It's fantastic, so soft and so warm. I want to put it on right now and crawl back into bed. Love it. So this is awesome. I would definitely wear it. And I think this vest is cute as well. I thought it was super cute. I like the little checkered plaid on it. I don't know anything like this, and I think it will go with a lot. You can wear with a lot of colors. So I think that's very cute. My least favorite item probably is this long t-shirt, the tunic tee. I'm really not sure what to do with this. So open to ideas. What should I do with this? How should I wear it? Need help? Let me know. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put the information for both the Rachel Zoe box of style in case anyone would be interested in gifting it or getting it for yourselves. I've enjoyed it. I've been getting it, like I said, I think it's been about 1.5 years now. And you can even go out to her site and look at all the prior boxes. She does have those all out there, and they are always well worth the money. She gives some fantastic items in that box, and a lot of times they are exclusive. And I will put the information for Bad Habit Boutique down below as well. I would love it if you consider giving me a thumbs up for this video. If you could hit that subscribe button, I could really use the support from me and my sleepy sidekicks. Thanks so much for watching. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We so appreciate it. Wyatt is sleepy. Yes. I think I've already gotten him to start to doze off. So he's laying right back down again. Till next time, everyone, have a great one. Bye.